Page 126, Funiculi, Funicula. It's a fun piece. It's a happy piece. 6/8 time, we've been in 6/8 time. They're talking about feeling it in 2. I've already been talking about feeling it in 2. In this piece it helps because the left hand is playing on the first beat and the fourth beat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you feel it in 2 with the left hand. Alright. No sharps or flats in it. This is in the key of C major. So you need to be doing the scales. C major scale and the A minor scale. If you know them already, go 2 octaves. If you don't know them, then 1 octave. Learn the scales. It's so important. Now it has a pickup beat in the right hand. Let's just cover the notes and the rhythms and all that. Fingering. 2, and we're here actually. Not here, we're here. We're pickup beat, we're coming in on beat 4. And I think they have an error in the music. It's my opinion it is, because if I only have 3 beats in the first measure there, I need another measure somewhere with 3 beats in it. So we come out total, 6 beats total. It's got to come out according to the time signature. Normally they put it at the end. You'd have a measure down there with just 3 counts in it. They didn't do that. That last measure has 6 counts in it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Where are the other 3 beats? I don't know. You can ask the Faber people about it. But in my opinion, there should be another measure somewhere with 3 counts in it, or the first measure should show 3 beats of rest at the beginning of the measure, so the measure has 6 counts in it. Either way works. As far as how we play it and count it, it doesn't really matter too much. It's just here. We're coming on beat 4. 4, 5, 6. And you're going to hold that down for 6 counts plus 2 more is 8 counts total. Isn't that nice? And then for the next full measure, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. Measure 4s. 1, 2, 3, and the third finger. And you tie it. And that's fun. Go over to page 127. Measure 19. It's the last measure, the first line. You're here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remember the rests. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, and blah, blah, blah. For the most part, that's the piece. Left hands, you got C chords. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2. This is where you get the 2 feel, or feel 2. Now measure 5, you have the 5/7 chord. That's nice for a change. Over on page 127, on measure 18, it's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. And then measure 20. It's a 5/7 chord, but you're only using the 2 notes. That's fine, we can do that. When you're doing that a while, let's go down, next line, that's measure 27. You were here, and during the rest you come up here. So it's 2, 4, G sharp B, connect this, and then a 1, 2 for 29, and then 1, 3 again. The thumb's doing both, that's fine. Then lift up, you got a 4 chord. And then a 1 chord. 1. Put the hands together. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. See right there, I'll measure 7. I'm beat 2. Silence. Nobody's playing because the right hand has that quarter rest that lasts for 2 counts, 1 and 2. The left hand has a beat on 1 and then a rest. So on beat 2, both hands are quiet. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so forth. Work it out, both hands together. You don't have to go that fast, you take it at your speed. Eventually, you get rid of all the hesitations and any of that, no wrong notes, it flows at some speed. And then we can put in the articulation, with the slurs and the staccatos and stuff. In the left hand, you have the staccatos, just a nice light wrist staccato. It says LH lightly. You do that anyway, you don't need a note. Left hand lightly, you do that anyway. Keep it in the background. Short staccatos on these. All these are short. Where in the right hand, you're connecting it as best you can. There's you get a staccato on beat 4, on measure 4 in the right, and an accent. Right hand, not left. So it's give it a little extra. And then on measure 7, and again, accent. So forth. Let's go over to page 127. Here, accent. This is legato here. Of course you have rest. You gotta lift up for the rest. But the left hand connect this. Just connect this left hand. And that quarter note is not a staccato note. No, it's a full beat. But the beats go by so quickly. It's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It sounds almost staccato, but it's not. Measure 25. Now here, I lift the left hand up when I play the quarter note. Now that's a dotted half note there. I'm going to hold it down for 6 counts. With the fermata, I'd hold that down a little longer. With a metronome, I'll double it and hold it for 12 counts. Oh, goody. And then go on. Both hands lift up. And that's a staccato on measure 32. Both hands. And then slur this. Staccato at the end. Now, but going from measure 32 to 33, I would connect all of that together. I think that slur line should have gone all the way across. So connect that. Don't no, connect it. And an accent on the end. Okay. Then add the dynamics. It's a fun piece. Moderately loud. Keep the left hand soft. The accented notes are going to be loud. Then we get over to measure 26, is it? You start this soft. You've been sort of loud all this time. All of a sudden come down. And you're soft. The left hand's very soft. You're gradually going to go up to loud for the dotted half note, but don't get loud till you get there. So plan this out. For measure 26, I'm soft. Measure 27, soft. Measure 28, I'm moderately soft. Measure 29, I'm moderately loud. Now I'm loud. So I just did it like a measure at a time. You have to plan that out. Otherwise, you'll be loud by the time you get to measure 28, and that's too soon. So plan that out. Soft, low. Here, and there's a retardando there. So you slow down. I don't know about the retardando. You don't have to slow down, but they put it in. You can if you want. And then the odd tempo means resume your speed again if you did slow down. And you come down to moderately loud. In the right hand, keep the left hand down. And then crescendo back up to loud. And the last note with an accent on it makes it very loud. Not vulgar. Claps the wrist, keep the wrist loose on this. Now, when you get to going fast on this, you're kind of going this way. Don't keep hitting them if you can. Put the hands on the keys first and then bounce off each time if you have time. Otherwise, you're taking a chance, because when you do that, there's a chance you'll miss. I mean, you're playing 3 notes at a time. You got to get them all. And you're changing them sometimes. So try and keep the hands on the keys each time, if you can. Speed-wise, where you want to feel it in 2, it's 2, 1, bottom. It depends on how much wine you've had to drink or beer or whatever. At least it does for me. And then they've added a little bit of pedal. Well, again, we pedal for specific reasons. We don't just pedal. I mean, pedal out of habit is not one of the reasons you're supposed to pedal. That's not, habit isn't them. It's got to be, somehow it enhances the sound. It enhances the music. It helps. And the main reason we're pedaling in this piece is because it helps to give us some contrast. We like contrast. See, here at the beginning it's rather staccato-y and bouncy. Then when you get over to major 19, when the pedal comes in, this is going to be more overtones and connected here. Okay, but you're not going to pedal all of that, and I don't like the idea of pedaling through the rest. I want to hear the rest in the right hand. They're showing pedal. No. Lift it up with the right hand, of the pedal on each of those. Lift it up with the right hand. And then on major 29, again, this is the climax of the piece. You're building it up, you're slowing down, and so we want lots of overtones and things. We're going to do that. Here, and then lift the pedal in the hands at the same time when you go on. So it's like taking a breath, and don't pedal any of that. So again, we're just adding overtones and connecting it, not too much. And then for the climax, we want the overtones and the excitement and all that. That's what we're pedaling it for here. Now I'd like to play this with you very slowly to double check the notes and the rhythms. I'm not going to do any dynamics. I can't slow down, the metronome won't slow down, and I'll hold that fermato note for 12 counts instead of 6. That'll be fun. So let's just try it. We're coming in on beat 4, so I'll give us 3 counts, and let's try it together. Now this is felt in 2, so I'm going to go ahead and put the metronome on dotted quarter notes. Every 3/8 notes, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. That's pretty fast. Hopefully we can get it at that fast though. So let's try it at that speed. So I'm going to give us 3 counts to come in on. That's 3 dotted quarter notes. Here. 1, ready, go. Like that. Let's see if we can do it at that speed. 1, ready, go. 1, 2. Six. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. Two, hold, 2. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.